What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Billy back with another video. Get it. And I got my boy Trial with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, motherfucking sir. We finna tap into this reject your date with one person of a button type shit. So like, if they don't like the person, they hit the button. You feel me? So I thought this shit was funny as hell.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it didn't turn red yet.
No,
hate this
I'm so
bitch.
sorry.
Damn.
I'm so sorry.
Damn.
Welcome to The Button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is the button.
Hi. How are you?
Doing pretty well.
You two have similar vibes,
Do we? What's this vibe that?
Yeah, what's a similar
like aesthetic.
Okay.
vibe? Okay.
Shit, they do got
Do
long
you
ass
find
hair.
each other attractive?
Oh, you're waiting for me to go first.
Damn.
Damn it!
Got her.
Yeah, I
got
don't
her
really like
dumb
guys
ass.
with long hair.
Bro, females don't like rejection, so they be the first one to hit that motherfucking button,
I
bro.
don't get no
They'd
fuck.
rather them hit that button than you. I swear.
Nigga, my ass should be hovering over there.
I'm Nicole.
Nicole, nice to meet you.
You.
Fuck you.
Ryan
Trying
was
to
in
press
the
that
army.
bitch. I'm go press
An
it.
arm.
I was in
Bad.
the army, yeah, from 2012 to 2016.
Damn. She don't like niggas in the army?
Why did you press me?
I don't know, man. Something about army guys.
Why do you hate our troops?
Damn.
I don't.
He said he was in the army, bitch. Damn.
I don't. They're just very,
I just froze.
I don't know, overly masculine. Hi, I'm Nicole.
Nicole,
Like
Omar.
this bitch. I hope he get her ass out of
Do
here.
for fun.
What do I do for fun? Video games, mostly.
Yeah.
What kind of?
Press the buttons.
The big. So the last one I put. Got me. All right.
Why did you reject him?
Because there's more to life than video games.
I hate
I
you,
like video
bitch.
games.
Hi. Is it your mission to get me out? Is everyone like angry?
Well, I don't know about that. I've heard about you though.
Damn.
What have they said? Oh, I knew it.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't think-
Yeah, get that bitch up out of here.
I will do my best. I tend to not pay attention to how hard I can go sometimes. Just
Is that a sex thing?
I mean, sometimes.
Okay, Travis.
How's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm not really a morning person. By this time, I usually have had like 2 Red Bulls or something like that.
Oh, okay. What do you do?
I tried to get a. Okay.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Why did you press me?
She ugly too.
He's not my type.
Next date, please.
What?
Hi.
My name's Bailey.
Damn. What the
I didn't get the
fuck?
memo about are we dressing up or
Yeah.
what's going on?
Yeah, so I am what do you call a furry, and I just dress
Oh
up
my
and
God.
I put smiles on people's faces. So
Do you have like multiple or is it?
I only have one.
I did it first.
Careful, careful. Till you're rejected.
Okay, cool.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize. You're good.
You seem lovely.
Fuck you.
I'm Patty.
I'm Patrick.
Nice to meet you. Oh, Patrick and Patty.
Patty, are you a virgin?
A virgin? No, I'm not. Are you a virgin?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. Do you usually have to tell people that first off the bat on a date? Or do you usually just casually ease into it at a more...
Okay,
yeah.
have a conversation.
Okay, thank you.
Good shit.
Why did you reject her?
She
Is it
ugly.
because she's not a virgin?
No, it's because she's older
Damn.
than me.
How do you know?
I can tell.
So how's your day going today?
My day is going. I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Why are you scared?
First time
Press the
doing this.
button.
Can you tell me more about yourself?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh, okay.
What's your dating age
Bitches,
range?
dog.
Above 25 and then stopping at like...
Hey.
Here are the bitches in the background.
Oh my god.
Smile.
You do too.
Are you from LA?
I'm originally from Uganda.
Okay.
I was born there. Moved out here when I was like 1.
So you're from here? Kind of.
Damn.
No, I understand.
She can be the esthetician.
okay.
You know what I'm talking about.
How do you feel?
I feel good about you.
I feel good. Okay, so one thing that's big for me is music.
Music.
Yeah, so can you give me like a top 5?
I like
more like hip hop, R&B.
Do you like to dance?
I like to dance. What about you?
No, I just was having fun. I cannot dance at all.
Bro, everybody can dance.
No?
Prove
Everybody.
it. Prove it, Jordan.
They look white as fuck.
Oh, this is fun. I appreciate you. You were fun though. We could be friends. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Sorry.
Damn.
It didn't turn red yet.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay, I'm Gabrielle.
Bro, gonna play it crazy
Give
as
each other a
hell.
chance.
Yeah, let's give each other a chance. Let's.
Yeah, let's
Okay, you want to do
lie.
that? I do see you as a friend. No.
Get that bitch out of there.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Allison. Hi, I'm Joel.
Hold on, Allison.
meet you.
fat.
You too.
How's it going?
Good. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, I
Are
hate
you
it.
nervous? Yeah, like my hands were like freezing earlier. Just like
Yeah.
so I like ice
Allison
cold.
pretty
I was
as hell,
just
though.
nervous,
Yeah.
but
She look better than all the other bitches that came up there.
Sorry.
okay.
Hey, no
Been
cap.
rejected, Joel.
No
Why
kidding.
did you ask me?
It was a little bit like forced.
I ain't gonna lie, I go out with that big bitch.
How's your day going?
I'm doing pretty good. I got pressed so fast last time.
Oh, you've been here before? Like you've done it?
We went through the
Wow.
whole thing already. Like
Oh
we were
wow, really?
looping back around. Yeah.
Why do you think you got X before?
You got the nose and everything.
Well,
Ugly as
we found
fuck.
each other attractive.
Oh, okay.
But
That's
then
like a,
I said it, and she.
and she.
Ooh.
I thought you were about to do it, so
I thought you were about. I was like,
I
Give me an
won't do it
example.
quickly if you don't do it quickly.
okay,
Can we make a truce?
sure.
Why are humans so scared of rejection?
Rejection sucks. Who would like it?
Right, and I
Yeah.
think like most people are pretty egocentric, so like rejection is part
Yeah.
of that.
I think
So.
I think we think that it reflects something about us as a person, whereas sometimes now it's like a
I
stand.
think it's a tie, so we're gonna reject both of you.
Oh,
That makes sense. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Kat.
Hi, I'm
All this shit.
Nice to meet you.
How tall are you?
Oh, I'm 5'11" and a half.
Alright, I'm about the same.
Okay.
What do you do for fun?
He lying.
Me and my sister go and get a lot of coffee, try different coffees around the city, try different beer. Depends on the time of day.
Bitch, you drink beer.
Do you drink too much?
My mother might say I drink too much, but I feel like others think I drink
Bitch,
just
you
enough.
drink too
What
much
does
beer.
booze taste like?
Booze or boobs? Please clarify.
Both.
Both.
Do you swing both ways? No. Alright, so
He funny
boobs
as
taste
hell.
like,
I feel like it tastes like any other part of your body since it's all, you know.
I guess that's true.
What's your favorite part of a body to taste?
Boobs.
Boobs?
Yeah.
He's going with boobs?
Yes.
I'm a lip gal, so I mean.
A lip.
Yeah.
Wait, how often do you see like the spacing? Like every day?
Sorry, you've
Rejecting
been
both of y'all
rejected,
motherfuckers.
Jordan. Why did you reject him?
Didn't feel the spark. Hi.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Kat. Nice to meet you.
Kat, nice to meet you. Hello. How's your morning?
I didn't know I was coming here, so I didn't know about that until like 8.
What does that mean?
I mean, I was a last minute switcheroo.
Oh, you were forced to be here, or did you?
No, not against my will. It was
Oh, so you are
voluntary.
dating. You are single.
Yes, I am single. They did
Mm,
not
last
bring
time.
a take-in person.
So like, did he like dye his beard or like?
I don't know. I don't give a fuck about
What do you do for
dudes.
work?
I'm looking at all these bitches.
I'm a software engineer.
I feel
Oh
it.
wow.
What do you do?
I do construction or like carpentry. I lay wood
Her
and
nose.
decks. And
You build
fences.
stuff. That's
Lather and-
I do, yeah.
Yes, if I built something, it'd fall over. So
Well,
kudos.
I could
His
teach you.
small ass forehead is bothering
Nice.
me.
Kinda
He look like
cute.
Khabib.
You're very attractive.
You're very attractive, and
Whoa.
you're a software engineer. That's way smarter than me.
What turns you guys on?
What turns you on? Yes.
Get to the point.
Depends on the situation. It's like, oh, he can fix something. Like that's cool. Or oh, he can lift that because I can't. Like, that's the turn.
Ryan fixes things.
I do. How tall are you?
Always the question. No, I'm like almost 6 foot.
Okay, I'm 6'2", so I can definitely reach higher than you.
Yeah.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I bake things. Like
You
I'm
bake
really good
things?
at baking.
I read a lot. That's like my hobby. I read a lot of stuff that my pastor tells me to read.
Are you very religious?
I don't know what that question
Are
means
you religious?
anymore. I meet with my pastor like once a month just to talk to him. Like having another male role model in your life because I don't have a dad right now or dad in general. But that's a lot
I've
to
been
learn on
fucking
the
him
first
since
date.
he was a boy.
Yeah.
Damn.
Was that
That shit could have happened. Can't, you know what I'm saying?
deal breaker for you?
It's not a deal breaker. I'm just very not religious. Sorry,
check in
Mom.
every month.
Is that a deal breaker for you, Ryan?
No, my mom's not religious either. What do you do for fun? What's your hobbies?
Me and my sisters like try out different breweries around town.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So.
There's one opening up today.
Oh, what is it? Because now I might have plans this afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Ryan?
Maybe.
Ask her out.
Nigga.
Ryan, ask her out.
I'm definitely super nervous. But yeah, would you want to go out again?
Sure, I'll go out with you again.
Do I push the...
Congratulations.
Oh, sweet.
You've won the button. Now get out of
Do
here.
I get to take the button home with me? if I
Take
want
the
it?
button? Oh no, it's gentle.
Absolutely not. Leave me alone.
All right, bitches. Line Up the Game is officially out now.
Anyways, it's your boy Blue Billy. And we out. My boy Charlie.